Now let us discuss about the sensory nerve supply of the scalp. First of all, I have drawn this diagram showing the sensory nerve supply of scalp. There are some nerves which are supratrochlear nerve, supraorbital nerve, this is auricular temporal nerve, this is lesser occipital nerve, and this is greater occipital nerve. So first of all, let us discuss about the supratrochlear nerve. Supratrochlear nerve winds around the supraorbital margin, then it passes backward and it passes along the median plane of the scalp and finally reaches the vertex, as you can see in this diagram. Supratrochlear nerve is basically the branch of ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve. Similarly, supraorbital nerve is also the branch of ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve, and it winds around the superior orbital margin and ascends over the forehead, as you can see in this diagram, and it also supplies as far as to vertex. So supratrochlear nerve and supraorbital nerve both are the branches of ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve. Third nerve is zygomaticotemporal nerve. Zygomaticotemporal nerve is basically the branch of maxillary division of trigeminal nerve, and it supplies the scalp over the temporal region. Auriculotemporal nerve, as you can see in this diagram, it is a branch of mandibular division of trigeminal nerve, and it ascends in front of the ear and supplies the skin over the temporal region. Then comes lesser occipital nerve. As you can see in this diagram, this is lesser occipital nerve. Lesser occipital nerve is a branch of cervical plexus C2, and it basically supplies the scalp over the lateral part of the occipital bone, as you can see in this diagram, and also it supplies or innervates the skin over the medial surface of the auricle. Then comes greater occipital nerve. As you can see in this diagram, this is greater occipital nerve, which is basically a branch of posterior ramus of second cervical nerve, and it ascends over the back of the scalp and supplies the skin as far as to the vertex of the skull. So this is the sensory nerve supply, which is basically supplied by supratrochlear nerve, supraorbital nerve, zygomaticotemporal nerve, auriculotemporal nerve, lesser occipital nerve, and greater occipital nerve.